we're gonna learn planets. Planet is the Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter is the biggest one I ever seen, and Saturn have some icy rings. Uranus have some spin size like this, and some Neptune is really windy like this, like that, see? And then the Pluto is really small, like this. The Pluto is really small, like this. So thanks for subscribing. Bye-bye.